Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make salmon dinner. First, you'll need to gather the essential ingredients for this delightful dish. You'll need one fresh salmon, which you can easily catch in the river or ocean or purchase from the traveling cart. Next, secure one amaranth, a versatile crop grown on your farm or also found at the traveling cart. Finally, grab one kale, another farmable vegetable available at Pierre's General Store. These 3 items are all you need to begin your culinary adventure. Before you can whip up this tasty meal, make sure your farmhouse has the necessary kitchen upgrade. This allows you to access the cooking menu and prepare various dishes. Once your kitchen is ready, simply interact with your stove to open the cooking interface. Browse through your available recipes until you find salmon dinner. If you haven't learned it yet, you might need to watch the Queen of Sauce television show on specific days. With your ingredients ready and kitchen upgraded, the cooking process is straightforward. Simply select the salmon dinner recipe from your cooking menu. The game will automatically check if you possess all 3 required ingredients: 1 salmon, 1 amaranth, and 1 kale. If everything is in order, just click the Cook button. In an instant, your character will prepare a warm, satisfying salmon dinner, ready to be enjoyed or gifted. Enjoying your freshly cooked salmon dinner offers several great benefits in Stardew Valley. Consuming this meal will restore a generous 225 energy and 101 health points, perfect for a long day of farming or mining. Additionally, it grants a valuable +2 fishing buff for 5 minutes and 30 seconds, helping you catch more fish. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other fantastic deals. This dinner is a fantastic way to boost your stats and keep your farmer energized.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.